To begin, launch Visual Studio Code and create a folder titled My Website. Inside this folder, generate an HTML file and include the necessary boilerplate. Link a style sheet and script file. Add an H1 and H3 tag for a basic website structure. Next, enhance the styling for a more polished appearance. Open the project with a live server to view it locally. As you refine the styling, consider further improvements. To share your project on GitHub, log into your GitHub account. Create a new repository, naming it Sample Website with an optional description. Ensure the repository is public and add a README file. After creating the repository, upload your files by selecting them individually. Commit the changes to complete the upload. To make your website live on GitHub, navigate to the repository settings, under the Pages option. Select the main branch and confirm your choice. A notification will appear confirming the deployment source. Your website link will be generated shortly. You can either reload the page or revisit the repository to find the link in the deployed section. Click the provided link to view your website live on GitHub. Share the link with others and showcase your project on platforms like Twitter. Copy the link. Open a new tab and paste it to confirm that your website is accessible online. Get creative and start sharing your creations now.